Today we will be talking about supply and demand. There are two curves, the supply curve and the demand curve, on a graph with the price and the quantity. Where the supply curve and the demand curve meet or intersect is called the equilibrium point. If you draw a line, imaginary line, to the price, so to the y-axis is called the price equal. The price at equilibrium. If you draw down, you get the quantity at equilibrium. So at this point, we are saying that quantity supplied is equal to the quantity demanded. So when we talk about supply curve, we are talking about the suppliers, like the people who make these items. When we talk about the demand curve, we are talking about people who want to buy these items. So a point right here at letter A is a person who can make this item, let's say basketballs, at the cheaper price than for buyer B. For supplier B. And a person at point C is a buyer who will pay more money for this basketball than at letter D. And $3 is the minimum value a producer will sell this item for. So this producer at letter A can sell to either buyer C or D, but person C has more value in buying this item. Now, let's say a person at letter E wants to buy this item. They cannot, since they don't have enough money to buy this item, or some outside factor. We represent the area here as consumer surplus. So this is all the extra benefits, or in this case money, which this consumers have. So you find this number by finding the area of this triangle, which is 1/2 base times height. If you want to find the producer surplus, so it's how much money the producer makes, is you find the area of this triangle. You use the same formula, 1/2 base times height. Alright, so in this example, PH stands for the high price of basketball, which we can say is $6, but the equilibrium is still $3. But the minimum price which someone is selling a basketball for is $6. So the quantity demanded in this case is right here. Well, the quantity supplied is right here. So in this case, there is a surplus, which is found right here. So the surplus. Now, if the price of basketballs was right here at the low price, let's say at $1, the quantity supplied will be right here. The quantity demanded would be right here, which would result in a shortage. Just found when the quantity demanded is larger than the quantity supplied, and the surplus is when the quantity supplied is larger than the quantity demanded. So there are a lot of leftovers.